morning, y'all. It's Christmas Day. Let me turn the light on. Merry Homus. So, Merry Christmas, y'all. I ain't getting no gifts this year, but I feel like that's just because, adulting is kicking in. So, that's fine. That's fine on the no gifts. I mean, I got one gift. My pops got me some stuff, though. So, I'm really just grateful. But today, what I'm going to be doing is cooking. I'm cooking, y'all. I did the grocery shopping. We went to Walmart or whatever. I know I need to cut too, not too much. Hair is done though. Hair is done though. Like don't play with that. But I went to Walmart, did this shopping. So y'all. It's gonna be a little cooking episode. For y'all. It's gonna be part one. Cooking episode part one. That's what we're gonna call that. But I want to know why this braid shorter than this one over here. Like this one's draping. This one, maybe it's because how high the bead folded up. I don't know. Because it never gave draping and swiping, My Coco Chanel. I shouldn't use my Coco Chanel to cook in. So we're going to change real quick. I'm going to put on my sweats and probably a little tee or my beater. I don't know. I don't know if I want y'all to see my muscles or not because I've been really lifting weights. And, y'all, this BBL getting so fat. BBL getting so fat, that booty back there just bouncing. It's jiggling when I walk. Pow, 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 pow. Oh, it's on backwards. In the wells of my eyes, oh baby. But when I met you, darling, you helped me. Now, ooh, I'm glad, baby. Oh. Let me stop playing. All right, y'all. Stuff right here, but we got a sink, half a sink full of dishes. So I'm finna clean them. And then, yeah. What, Mom? I can't never film like you always in the background. Big ass ham. This motherfucker was $30 too. Hello. This shit stink. I'm gonna throw the fuck up. Like that's so nasty. That's so nasty. Like that's so nasty. I'm pretty sure that's just fat and water and oil or something. I don't know. But I don't want to find out neither. Gonna go ahead, let that thing on. Cutty, y'all. Okay, so she get technical. Y'all, that little baby ass knife wasn't cutting it. But let me tell y'all what just happened. You ever just got an unknown call and it be like, who the fuck and why the fuck they calling? Right. That's just what happened to me. Like, why do you feel comfortable enough to call my phone? All right, y'all, so this the ham hocks. This for the green beans right here. This the ham. I'm gonna season this separately. I got some stuff I'm gonna base it in right here. This got brown sugar, pineapple juice. I drained the pineapple juice. I know that you know I don't fall under pressure. Back on the road, I get no one go. You live by the coast of the ghetto. I'm posting this out with my memo. I'm treating this shit like a demo. I'm putting my heart in my soul and this shit is more. I'm gonna get shit to burn. I'm gonna get up to my down. I get cracked in the summer. Turning the leg in the humble. Turning the pain in my mind. I was nigga, got a face to trap. What the family
trying to serve me at the range. Never coming, only never complain. I'm taking everything, how many millions? I'm taking everything, come on, my children. Yeah. Bubbling, drink the butter, I be bubbling, yeah, I'm covering it. I was loving it, I was loving it. That's what I'm loving it, that's what I'm loving it. Everybody hot, that's what I'm loving it. Everybody's hot, that's what I'm loving it. I'm going crazy about it, I'm going totally crazy, that's how I'm doing it. Subscribe to your star power, and after 24 bars, you get 24 hours.
It's a real Christmas play right here. Hello.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!